Welcome to Mimic channel again. Today I am going to explain you about Mimic buzzer cum flasher. This is our flagship product of Mimic. It has been exported and it is number one at least in India. I will show you the product. See, this is basically a 22.5 cutout buzzer cum flasher. This has been used for the application of automatic control panels, all type of cement plants, defense, railways, as well as where the safety applications are there. That means where the problem is there, it will flash, it will give sound, and it's a very high pitched sound. Flashing is also very intense flashing and fits into normal 22.5 cutout indicating lamp. Inside there is a LED. This is the indication, these are the stickers, and on the back side there is a sticker. This is a total buzzer cum flasher. I will show you how it works. There are two types, one is buzzer cum flasher and one is continuous buzzer. I will show you. See, I am making it on. This is buzzer cum flasher and this is continuous buzzer. Generally, this continuous buzzer is used where the PLC type of panels are there. So the flashing and the flashing frequency and the beeping frequency are being controlled by the PLC. That means all the on and off cycles are being controlled by the PLCs. Only there these continuous buzzers are being used, and otherwise these flasher cum buzzers are being used. Thank you.